Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn about the main branches of chemistry and understand how each branch is connected to our daily life and modern science. Chemistry is broadly divided into five main branches. These are organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, physical chemistry, analytical chemistry, and biochemistry. Organic chemistry is the branch of chemistry that studies carbon and its compounds, especially those containing carbon hydrogen bonds. It may also include other elements like nitrogen, oxygen, halogen, phosphorus, sulfur, silicon, etc. Many substances around us, like food, plastics, fuels such as petrol, and perfumes, are organic compounds. Inorganic chemistry is the branch of chemistry that studies metals, minerals, salts, and their compounds. It plays an important role in everyday products like fertilizers, soaps, medicines, and paints. From agriculture to healthcare and construction, inorganic chemistry is essential for modern life. Physical chemistry explains how and why chemical reactions happen by studying energy and molecular behavior. It helps us understand energy changes, reaction rates, and atomic behavior. Applications of physical chemistry can be seen in batteries, solar panels, and many energy related technologies. Analytical chemistry deals with the identification, separation, and measurement of chemical substances. It is widely used in blood testing, DNA analysis, in forensic science, and water quality analysis. This branch helps ensure safety, accuracy, and quality control in many fields. Biochemistry is the branch of chemistry that studies chemical processes in living organisms. It focuses on biomolecules like DNA and proteins, which control life functions. Biochemistry helps us understand cellular energy, metabolism, and is widely used in medical research and diagnostics. Apart from the main branches, chemistry also has many interdisciplinary branches. There is agrochemistry, which applies chemistry to agriculture, helping improve fertilizers, pesticides, and crop yield. Astrochemistry studies the chemical composition of stars, planets, and space matter. Environmental chemistry focuses on pollution control, water, and air quality and protecting the environment. Geochemistry studies the chemical composition of the earth, including rocks, minerals, and soils. Green chemistry focuses on designing chemical processes that are safe, eco friendly, and sustainable. Materials chemistry deals with the development of new materials like polymers, nanomaterials, and advanced functional substances. Medicinal chemistry focuses on the design and development of drugs used to treat diseases and improve human health. Nuclear chemistry deals with radioactivity and nuclear reactions and is used in medical imaging, cancer therapy, and energy production. There is polymer chemistry, which studies large molecules called polymers, such as plastics, synthetic fibers, and rubbers used in everyday life. And lastly, theoretical chemistry uses mathematics and computer models to explain and predict chemical behavior at the molecular level. In the next video, we will start with a very basic and important concept: what is matter? You will learn what matter is, its types, and real life examples explained in a simple way. So don't forget to subscribe and continue your chemistry journey with me.